Bonsoir mes chers amis et bienvenue à cette nouvelle classe de Franglish. Hello everyone and welcome to this new class of Franglish presented by ETRE. Today guys, I will talk to you about être and avoir, to be and to have. I will talk to you guys today about some mistakes that my students make in my classes. Hopefully this video will help them and they will not make those mistakes again. Avant de commencer, abonnez-vous à ma chaîne pour voir plus de vidéos. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to watch more videos related to teaching ESL and French and also immigration support. Let's begin. Before I start talking about today's subject, guys, I want to ask you a couple questions. How do you translate this sentence into English? Je suis heureux. I am happy. What about this one? J'ai une belle voiture. I have a beautiful car. So far, guys, it's very easy and simple. Je suis, I am, j'ai, I have. Today guys, I am going to show you a selection of 8 expressions or sentences where in English you use to be, I am, but in French you have to use I have. I have noticed in my classes many students get confused or probably they use the word-by-word translation, which is sometimes understandable, especially with lower level language classes. So because of this, I have made a selection of 8 expressions, guys, that we use all the time in French language. So these 8 expressions, guys, like I told you at the beginning of the video, in English, you use to be, I am, je suis, but in French, you will have to use to have. I have, j'ai. Expression number 1 is the most used one. It's when you say how old are you in French. In English you say I am 20 years old, but in French you have to say I have 20 years old. J'ai 20 ans. J'ai 20 ans. Expression number 2, I am hungry. In French you have to say I have hungry. J'ai faim. J'ai faim. Expression number 3, I am thirsty. In French, you have to say, I have thirsty. J'ai soif. J'ai soif. Expression number 4, I am hot. In French, you will say, I have hot. J'ai chaud. J'ai chaud. Expression number 5, I am cold. In French, you will say, I have cold. J'ai froid. J'ai froid. Expression number 6 now. I am right. So in French, you have to say, I have right. So you will say, j'ai raison. J'ai raison. Number 7. I am wrong. In French, you will need to say, I have wrong. J'ai tort. J'ai tort. Last expression, guys, has 2 ways to say that. The expression in English is I am lucky. So in French, you can say je suis chanceux, but the most used French expression for I am lucky is with to have, j'ai. So most people in French say j'ai de la chance instead of je suis chanceux. Basically, I am lucky in French translates into j'ai de la chance. That's it, guys. These are the only expressions that I want to talk about. Like I have told you at the beginning, according to my experience with my students in my classes, most of my students make mistakes by applying a word-by-word translation to these expressions. So instead of saying j'ai 20 ans for the age, they say je suis 20 ans. Hopefully this video, guys, will help you. I put in the description links to other videos that you can use in your classes, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. N'oubliez pas de vous abonner à ma chaîne. If you are a teacher, share this video with your students. If you are a student, share this video with your classmates. Don't forget also to follow us in social media. Thank you guys for watching. Merci de suivre avec nous. Bonne chance pour tout le monde. Good luck everyone. Au revoir et à la prochaine.